This is Steve from webrockstar.net, and in this video we will explore how to add instructional videos directly on the Yoast related WordPress admin pages. Now, the Yoast SEO plugin is a very popular and powerful plugin for managing various aspects of your website's SEO, but with that power comes complexity, and website users can benefit from having hand-picked video resources that explains how things work on different Yoast admin pages. Now, I have a few examples set up to show you what I mean. Here we have on this page, we have a video resource embedded in the Help tab. Another example here, if we open up the Help tab, another video resource on how to use Yoast SEO in Elementor. And finally, one more example here on how to edit snippets. Now, if we take a look at the Help tab post type, we can dive deeper into how these are actually set up. It's very straightforward, very simple. Let's click on this first example here. As with many other WordPress posts, we would just enter the title here and the Help tab content here. Now, in these examples, we are just embedding a video, but if you wanted to, you could embed images as well as text. And of course, WordPress will render any video links from YouTube and other popular services as embedded videos, so you don't have to worry about the embed code there. Now, for the admin screen ID, there's a tool available in the Admin Notes WP plugin that makes it very easy to know what screen ID you should be using. At the top of the toolbar, there's a screen ID link, and inside that there's a link that shows the screen ID. You simply have to copy that, and it automatically gets copied to the clipboard, and here you would just paste it, and you would click update, and there you go. This custom help tab will now appear on all screen IDs that match the page that you specified. And you can do all of this using the Admin Notes WP WordPress plugin that is available in the WordPress plugin repository. One note, if you are searching for this, do a search for Web Rockstar, and you should find this on the second page of the plugin listings. If you do a search for Admin Notes WP, you may find it difficult locating the plugin. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.